Okay, welcome my dear friends to my channel Veer underscore NRI. Today I have a wonderful topic for all of you, and that is how to start trading with £100 as a student in the UK. Yes, you got it right. This is a video for the newbies or for the beginners, and let's understand how to start your journey with £100 as a student in UK. So, introduction to trading. If you are completely new to trading and you have no idea, how to start trading, I think this video should help you understand, okay, where to begin with, and you can start trading as little as £100, right? So the first thing is trading involves buying and selling of assets. Particularly, we're talking about shares in this case or stocks in this case. Low capital requirement. Yes, you heard it right. You can start with little as £100, making it accessible for the student community as well. There's flexibility and convenience. Well, you can trade from anywhere with an internet connection. So you need a good mobile phone, you need an internet connection, a Wi-Fi, that's it. And here you go, you can start trading. And the best part is learning opportunity. So your trading teaches financial literacy, you will understand risk management, you will understand how to diversify your income. Because once you graduate from your university and you start working full time, I'm sure you'll be making a lot of money. And then what exactly can you do? So you can start trading with as little as £100, right? The benefits of trading now, if you are a student, well, the first thing is the potential earnings, right? It don't consider trading that it will be your main source of income. It will take some time for you to develop your trading income into a main source of income. But meanwhile, when you start trading or investing for that case, the best part is it can be a very side income or an income which is like an alternate to your the main income. It will definitely help you. It can be done remotely. So even if you are working in night shifts, even if you're working in offices, or if you have some time, it requires it requires just half an hour to 1 hour. So if you start getting involved into trading, you can definitely create a good source of income. The third is continuous learning and growth. Yes, you learn about stocks, you learn about companies. Once you invest or trade in a certain asset class, you are attached to that company and you start following all the news. It will improve your financial literacy. So, yeah, that's an interesting journey, right? Now let's come on to the tricky part. So, what is the risk involved? So, when you make money, you have to understand there is a certain risk involved. But then, despite this risk, there are millions of people out there who are making a lot of money. And they were all just like you. They started from that point A. So, what basically can be done is you have to understand day trading means intraday trading. And intraday trading, what happens is basically in this intraday trading, you buy and sell stock within the same day. For example, the FTSE 100, if the timings is 9 o'clock to 4 o'clock or 4:30 for that matter. So if you buy a stock after the market opens, you have to close your position within the same day. So that is your intraday, and 90% of the portfolio can go down if you day trade without risk management. So this is an introductory video to help the students get interested into stock market trading. I'm not promoting any platform, or for that matter any broker or advisor, but I'm just trying to spread the financial literacy. The second is leveraged trading without proper strategy. Leveraged trading is when you take margin money. So suppose you have 100 pounds, and you put in all that 100 pounds, and you take another 5x of margin. Yes, it is giving you a leverage. So your capital suddenly becomes 500 pounds, because 100 times 5, because 5x margin has been given to you. So when you trade with 500 pounds, obviously you can make good profits, but at the same time, if it if it goes in the opposite direction, your trade, then the leverage trading can be really eating down your portfolio, or eating down your amount capital. Then third is trading with inadequate knowledge. So 60% of the people, or the risk involved, is trading with inadequate knowledge. Knowledge can only come when you trade. When you can do paper trading, you can play with fictitious money, you can play in the trading simulator games. So there are a lot of ways to practice. So it's a good idea to first practice and then start your journey into the real world. It's just like, you learn to drive in an old vehicle. You don't take a brand new Audi or Mercedes and you stick on it and start driving. You will be practicing somewhere, maybe in an open space, and then you start your trading journey, right? So do that, go out to that open space, learn, do some paper trading, start building up that community. And the 45% of people, they lose because of the emotional trading, or they're too attached to a stock. And when the stock is, going down, they still do not exit it. So yeah, that's a part of the emotional trading. Okay, so to begin with, getting started with 100 pounds, the first thing is research the brokers and platforms. So there are a lot of different brokers and trading platforms that offer very low minimum deposits. Deposits are less as 30 pounds. So I'm taking it starting point as 100 pound. Then you should be opening a demo account before risking the real money. Practice with fake money, right? That will help you understand, okay, what are the navigation points, what are the tools, and how is the dashboard exactly working. Because when you trade with real money, it will be very fast, because there are a lot of millions of traders out there who are putting in investing money. It's like, who catches the fish first, right? The third step will be fund your account, which obviously I'm asking you to do it with. Start with 100 pounds. Learn trading strategies. Yes, I will be uploading a video soon on basic strategies, which are very simple and very effective as well, and it will help you a lot in understanding the trading journey. Start small and diversify. When we say diversify, we mean basically don't put all your eggs into one basket. So don't put all 100 pounds in just one stock, rather than have maybe 25, 30 pounds into three different stocks. That's the way. Then once you create a portfolio, or a trade is opened, then you have to monitor and keep adjusting according to whether it's going up or down. So if you are a newbie and you have no idea where to start with, these are some of the brokerage platforms: Trading 212, Morningstar, Disclosure Guys, eToro. Yes, I personally use eToro in UK. It helps you to trade with as less as, like, literally like 50 pounds. So if you are a student watching this video, and if you are thinking to make some side income, then this is definitely a good starting point for you guys. This is an exciting example. A 21-year-old, obviously I've kept the name anonymous. A student at the University of Manchester, she started with an initial investment of £100 and she began trading stocks and cryptocurrencies. This was during the COVID time, and she has grown her portfolio to an impressive 17,500 within 2 years. So, yeah, if you search the net, probably you might be able to find. But uh, what I want to tell you is that yes, money can be made with a little due diligence, learning the technical analysis, understanding fundamental analysis. You can definitely make a lot of money. And finally, question answer, guys. You can post your comments, and if you really want to understand, more about trading, I will be posting a series of videos for sure. But the basic idea to understand is Uh, first, choose a stockbroker. Start with a very less amount as £100. And then the third thing I would suggest is start off with a very basic marking of high and low. If you start trading, identify when the stock market is open. For example, Tesla. At what is Tesla's highest opening point in the first 10 minutes or in the first 15 minutes candle. Just mark the high and low of the candle, and then you can just observe and wait for the high or the low to be breached. Once it breaches, you can go and continue with your trade. So these kind of things we will discuss, but the idea was to explain you the basics about stock market. And in the next video we will start with analyzing the fundamental analysis. So what is fundamental analysis? The basics will be covered: income statement, balance sheet, cash flow, and then we'll go further. Thank you so much. If you've liked my video, you can also drop in comment what exactly you're looking for, and I can create a video on that. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.